Welcome to the future of home textile manufacturing, where automation drives efficiency and innovation powers productivity. In today's fast-paced market, home textile companies face the challenges of meeting growing demands while maintaining high quality and cutting cost. At the heart of this transformation is the factory design, where every process is optimized, every inch space is utilized, and every machine plays its part in improving workflow. From automated cutting machines to modern sewing to smart conveyors and warehousing systems, modern factories are designed to eliminate bottlenecks and enhance material flow. Automation isn't just about machines, it's about creating a synchronized ecosystem where efficiency thrives. Automation allows us to streamline complex processes from fabric to packaging with minimum human intervention. Operators can now monitor and control production real time, ensuring high quality output while minimizing waste. The results? Increased productivity, reduced downtime, and fast turnaround times. Automation improves factory output by enabling continuous production, reducing errors, and maximizing the use of resources. Training your workforce to work along the automated system is essential. With proper upskilling, teams can focus on overseeing the process, ensuring smooth operation, and identifying areas for further improvement. Improving process flow doesn't stop at the design stage. Constant analysis and refinement of workflow, product handling, and machine maintenance are the key to sustaining peak efficiency in the long run. By embracing automation, home textile manufacturers can significantly boost productivity, streamline processes, and create smarter and more efficient factories. Future of textile production is here and it's automated. Transform your factory, elevate your productivity, and automate now.